Hi, I'm David Henson, Managing Partner of HensonFuerst Attorneys in North Carolina, here to talk about the DePuy hip replacement recall, which was just announced a few weeks ago in August of 2010. A hip replacement is a difficult surgery with a long, painful recovery. No one looks forward to it, and no one wants to repeat it. Not the doctors who perform the surgeries, and certainly not the people who are on the painful side of the scalpel. On average, most hip replacements last 10 to 20 years, depending on the person and the type of activities they do. For many people, that means that their artificial hips last the rest of their lives. But unfortunately, people who received hip replacements made by DePuy Orthopaedics are not that lucky. DePuy, a division of Johnson & Johnson, has issued a recall of 2 hip replacement products because of higher than usual failure rates is causing people to need second surgeries to replace the defective DePuy product. The 2 hip replacement products DePuy recalled are the ASR Hip Resurfacing System and the ASR XL Acetabular System. Research showed that people who had these implants had a 1 in 8 chance of needing a revision surgery within 5 years. What's worse, the faulty hip replacement causes severe pain and can make walking an excruciating experience. What's more, recovery from the second hip replacement is often more difficult than the first. This DePuy hip implant recall affects an estimated 93,000 replacement systems in more than 29 different models of hip replacement implants. Fortunately, these products are no longer being used as of the August recall. Orthopedic surgeons who use these particular devices have been sending letters out to their patients to advise them of the recall by the manufacturers. So check your mailbox, or if you've moved since your surgery, please contact your surgeon and they will be able to advise you whether you were given one of the problem hip replacement units. If you already know that you received one of the recalled DePuy hip replacement systems, then we recommend that you schedule a follow-up appointment with your surgeon. Even if you're not currently having symptoms, it's possible that you could have early signs of failure before you recognize the pain. And your doctor will be able to evaluate how your hip is functioning and whether the recalled implant is in need of replacement. In that visit, your orthopedic surgeon may also want to do a blood test that looks at the level of microscopic metal particles or metal ions around your hip. Metal ions are a sign that recalled implant has failed. If the blood test indicates a high level of these particles, your surgeon may want to do a second blood test 3 months later. These levels could be high even if you're not experiencing any symptoms, so this blood test is very important. If you or someone you care about received one of these defective joint replacement components, we'd like to speak with you right away. You may have a legal case and be able to collect compensation for the injury caused by this faulty medical device. Call us at 1-800-4LAW-MED or visit our website at lawmed.com for more information. You can also fill out a free online consultation form for an immediate evaluation of your case. One important thing to note though, do not sign any releases of your medical records to DePuy or Johnson & Johnson before you talk with a lawyer. Again, this is David Henson of HensonFuerst Attorneys. Don't hesitate to contact us. If you have questions, HensonFuerst has answers.